With some more grammar covered, let's pivot back to vocabulary. We are learning about what life was like in ancient Rome, so let's check out the most common occupations for a Roman man. Senator, senatoris. Miles, militis. Magister, magistri. Medicus, medici. Pistor, pistoris. Servus, servi. Coquus, coqui. Sartor, sartoris. Faber, fabri. Faber tignarius. Tonsor, tonsoris. Venditor, venditoris. Lanius, lanii. Poeta, poetae. Musicus, musici. Actor, actoris. Pictor, pictoris. Sculptor, sculptoris. Gladiator, gladiatoris. Atleta, atletae. Nauta, nautae. With these words now understood, let's check comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.